everyone. Thanks for tuning in today. My name is Layne, and I'm a senior at WVU studying biomedical engineering. And today I'm going to talk about my student experience, not only things WVU as a whole has provided me, but the engineering college specifically. So a little bit about me. I'm from Bridgeport, West Virginia, just about 40 miles down I-79. So I've been cheering on the Mountaineers my whole life. A legacy of graduates from my family have come from WVU, and they always speak very fondly of their experiences here. Specifically, my own sister graduated with a doctorate in pharmacy a couple years ago from WVU, and watching her go through, I always knew I was going to be a Mountaineer. There really is a sense of home here, and I hope you guys get to experience that today through hearing from different students and kind of learning about what WVU does for our students. So typically when we do these, we do PowerPoints that have pictures and everything. And I know since it's virtual, it's kind of different game, but I kind of still wanted to incorporate that. So I brought, I brought my engineering experience with me. Here we go. Okay. Doesn't like me today. So my engineering experience. So like most of you, I remember the end of high school. So I went to Bridgeport High School. I was very active in student council. I went to Europe when I was a junior, so I've always been interested in travel and kind of doing a lot of things that I do currently for the university. This is not going well. The first thing I kind of got involved with, which is awesome if you're a junior, consider going, is the engineering challenge camps. So I was a camp counselor between my freshman and sophomore year, which was a great way to get involved with the university and kind of open my eyes to a lot of different things that we do across campuses. And it was a great way to kind of meet a lot of people and work a lot with this office, which led me to becoming an ambassador. And that's kind of why I'm doing this today. So we do a lot of things like this, open houses, personal tours, and it's really been a great way for me to give back to the university in a lot of ways that questions I wanted to know, like things like today I never attended one, which is awesome that you guys are, because these kind of questions can be really scary when you move to WVU by yourself, but getting ahead of the game and learning about all these tips and tricks are really useful. So another thing I got to participate in was the WVU Share Program. So Share stands for Summer Undergraduate Research Experience. So between my sophomore and my junior year, I sought out a research position to see, if graduate school would be something I was interested in. So I worked with this program, which is an 8-week paid program that the state pays for, and then through the university you take a 1 credit hour class where you're matched with a research mentor, and you work through different things about graduate school. You learn about how to apply, different grant writing, and it's really useful if you're interested in going into a graduate degree. So another thing, like I said, I really love to travel. So biomedical engineering is one of the more difficult ones to take a semester or a full year in. We actually just sent our first student to Australia 2 springs ago, so it's possible if you are interested, but for me it wasn't really feasible to take a full semester, so I went on a study abroad trip to Italy last spring break through the Eberly College, and we got to go to Florence and Rome, and it was more of a cultural rather than an engineering type one, which was really cool for me to kind of experience another college and meet a lot of different people across the university. It's a great way to spend spring break, so I definitely recommend that. And then for myself, one of the biggest things I pride myself on here at WVU and has given me most of my professional and social development is through the Society of Women Engineers. So the Society of Women Engineers is a not-for-profit student organization that's focused around women empowerment, and it's open to everyone. So we have male members and ones from other colleges like forensic science. It's just about promoting STEM for women and being a good place where we can connect to each other and different things. So this year I had the honor to serve as the president of the Society of Women Engineers, and we held 3 successful outreach events. Our most successful being Girls STEM Day, where we brought almost 200 K-5 girls onto campus to do different STEM-related activities. So it was a really awesome feeling. And through Society of Women Engineers, one of the major things we do is we go to conference each year. So 2 years ago, I had the opportunity to land my dream internship at Stryker Medical in Kalamazoo, Michigan. And I got to work as a quality assurance engineering intern. So I really got to learn the ropes behind quality processes and the FDA and medical regulated things. And it was just the experience of a lifetime. So now this year, I am chief engineer on my senior capstone project, and we are working in the radiology department to build a CT scanner for animal research. So I've had the opportunity to lead a group of 5 awesome colleagues, and we've got to use all of our knowledge that we've acquired throughout the past 4 years and work on a project that comprehensively brings together lots of different fields from biomedical engineering. So it's been a great honor to be this capstone leader, and I'm really excited to see our end result here come in April. And then my final takeaway is that one of my favorite things to do is go to football games. So my friends and I have a great time at football games, and it's one of my favorite things that I like to say is that the work-life balance is really important. So find things that you're interested in and things that you're passionate about and make sure you incorporate them, because you're here to get a great education, but you're also here to make life-lasting memories. So I just want to end that WVU has given me so many opportunities. I've had the opportunity to grow out of my shell, out of my comfort zone, and become a very successful student and also person. So thank you.